guys, this is Danny for Danny Tutorials, and today we're gonna make the Mario Bros. Shaker box. So this is gonna be a template that you can download. You can use your machine like a Kraker or a Silhouette, or you can cut it in a scissor. I am making this video cutting it by hand to show that you do not need the machine to be able to do those party favors, okay? So you're gonna print that. I print those templates in a photo paper, a glossy photo paper, and I do not laminate. I just cut it and make the box. So you need a very good scissor and try to cut in less takes possible. So bigger your scissor, easier you're gonna cut and you're gonna make less marks. All these templates you can find on the I will leave the link in the description for you guys. It comes like everything set up. You just print on a normal photo paper 8.5 by 11, and then you can make your box. You can put anything inside, a snack, a little gift, anything. And the shaker is really cute because it can get a little glitter, a little detail, and it makes such a difference in the party. So just be careful, cut it in the lines. It's pretty easy to see because this box is red. So you just need to cut around your white spots, just like so. And we're gonna start setting up. You also don't need anything to mark or to do, the indentations. I'm gonna show you all here. If you have, as I was saying, a cutting machine like a Kraker and a Silhouette, you can download this and get it as a PNG. That means that is a image without a background, so the Y will not exist, and then your machine is going to understand and need to cut that off, so it will cut automatic for you. So one is like a square like that, like a box. To be very honest, I have a Kraker and I will cut by hand because just the time that it takes me to put one by one and the mat sometimes takes longer. Okay, so of course intricate cuts is better to cut the machine because by hand we're never gonna make that perfectly. But some things you can do by hand, and if you don't have it, of course you can do by hand. And that's what I'm cutting it. I'm picking the yellow background from a shaker, but as you can see, you have different colors, so you can make different boxes. So we have that cut, get all this trash out of here. And we have one more thing to cut, that's the little square in the bottom. I will mark, and you get anything straight, like a ruler, anything you have, just to mark where we gonna fold the box. So we're gonna get every single little straight line on a vertical and not horizontal, so we can make it easy, like the folding for the box. I am going to cut the shaker. I'm using a X-Acto knife, not really, but kind of like a X-Acto knife. So be careful with your fingers. I cut my finger once and it hurts, and I got like 6 stitches on my finger. In one of the videos, then I put it like a year ago, I think. So go slow, and then you can go in the corners very slow, and you can make the round corners. If you are a little scared about the round corners, just cut, like straight. It will work fine. So you see that little tick right there, you're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut it with your scissor. It's where you're gonna fold the top of the box. So that whole thing from the little tick that's in the bottom to up, we're going to fold. Fold one side, and then again on the yellow line. So I prefer to go by hand, one by one, because I can make it very strong, and I'm sure then I all line up. So it's right on the top at that yellow line. Fold it then all up. And I'm getting just a spatula, just to be sure then they are all really marked and they're not gonna go back to place. And the same thing to the other one. Fold it the other side. and there as well. Everywhere then you fold it, it really make that very, strong. It's gonna be easier to set up your box, and your box is gonna sit a little bit more perfect. So take your time to do all those, markings and folds. Especially because photo paper is a little thick, so you really need to, make, obey where you want to go. So now right there at that line where it starts going down, you're going to fold it. Fold to the back. And then we're going to fold in the middle. Fold it very well. Be sure that it's straight. And then fold it back again. And we're going to do that to the other side too, because I want that mark to be very, very strong. And we're going to do all the sides. You can use a ruler to be sure, but it's just right there. You can see where the paper, is in diagonal, and that's where you're going to get. Fold once and fold in the middle. Again. Fold the one, fold in the middle. And one more time. I like to fold it on the other side too, just in case, just to be sure that it's very, very marked. And I'm going to do it again. Here we go. I am going to be working with a lot of those templates. They are pretty cool, and they make it really cool party favors. Really easy as well if you need to give something to a team, to a class, and things like that. So I folded all the sides and I tape it on the side. I don't know why I don't have that. But don't worry, I have a video coming next week. Then it's kind of the same style. So if you have a little trouble, you're going to see in the next one. I'm just putting glitter, a little beads, anything I had at home. And then I cut a little piece of acetate. And then I'm using double tape on the sides. Take your time to be sure that your tape or your glue, your hot glue, whatever you're using is all around that square, because you don't want that glitter, those beads, all those little cute things that you're putting inside to come off. One side and the other side. My tape wasn't really in the mood to help me. Yeah, then you put your acetate on the top. Glue, be sure then, you covered the whole thing. And then you're going to put tape on the top because we need to put the box. Go all over again. And then we're going to place right in the middle. Be sure then it's all glued. See, you can see now that you can shake her, and that's why I call a shaker box. So I'm going to place tape on the edge, on the little tab that is for closing. I will put it down to be sure then I have a steady place to glue them together. Use the white line, the yellow line, to be sure that it's all straight. Try to put them together, and then you tie them all really well. And we can start folding the box and setting it up. It's so cool. I can't stop shaking it. So you're gonna put it the one that is the long one with the logo, and then you put the sides and the other top right there. And we're gonna squish right in the middle, just like so. It's kind of like a milk box, the old style milk box. So you squish on the sides and you plug on the top. I just like to go slow so I know then they're folded in the right place and I can see the logo or the name, whatever it is, to the other side. You can use a hole puncher to punch 2 little holes. You can use a ribbon. I have a little girl saying hi here. You can use anything you wanted to decorate. I use those little thick ties that's really easy to use and setting ribbon, and I just place over there. It's easy to open and close and then keeps everything together very tight. Fix the bow and it's all ready. How cute is it, guys? It's super easy. It's just one print on the paper. You can make a box. It's so much cuter to give as a present than just give a piece, candy or anything. You can even, and I'm gonna show you a little extra, make it even fancier or cuter or full details. I got this little, I think I got this at the Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just cutting in half because I just want a little gold detail around the shaker. So you can use hot glue, you can use tape, whatever you have handy. And we're gonna go all around to give a little of more details on that. And then we're gonna put over right at the edge. I heard once that the packaging sometimes is better than the present. And I think for party favor is something that is true. Because you can just get a cookie or, Oreos and put in a little bag and put in this box. Kids gonna love it because that's the shaker. It makes noise. It looks like Mario. And we have so much more coming. Pringles boxes, Nutella Go wraps, and they're so cute. And I'm so excited to show you guys this. I'm using the design of PP3 Designs. And I'm also going to have a code for you guys to be able to get some discounts. It's just not expensive to download and cuts the time for you to go creative. If you not used to design or all those softwares, it's much easier to get the template and just download and make it. And they're pretty cute. So you can decorate as much as you want. You can put in the name of your child. You can put in like an age, and you can have fun and make yours. But the base is done, so it cuts your work in like less than a half. I hope you guys like this. I think it's such a pretty cute detail on a cake table, on your party. And who doesn't like Mario? Everybody likes Mario Bros. I remember playing this video game. I hope you guys like it. I have Barbie coming up, so don't forget, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. And they are super cute coming up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.